Good evening. Good evening. This is what we got by the end of the day. You can hear the weed. Still weeding. Still coming, so you can see the snowflakes. You can see what we got after the snowstorm. But still we are the people. We are the people. Can you hear the wind? Oh, and it's cold. You hear that? Oh, listen. Look at that tree. It's a snowstorm. Yes. Oh, yeah. Can you see? Oh, my. And it's cold. But I believe people are inside. See the lighting? People are inside. Let me go in. Yes, there may be more in the morning. Let's see.